Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the electrophilic substitution reaction in the aromatic ether. You know what is the example of aromatic ether? So the anazole is an example of aromatic ether. So in the aromatic ether, it means in an anazole, how the reaction take place? What here? Electrophilic substitutions. First of all, what is the definition of electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic ether? So the process in which we replace one electrophile from the anazole or aromatic ether by another electrophile called as the electrophilic substitution in the aromatic ether. क्लियर है बेटा? यानी सिंपल आपको याद रखना है कि जो एक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल रहेगा, कोई भी एटम रहेगा एनेजोल में से या एरोमेटिक इथर में से, जो एटम जो है वन एटम आर एक्ट एज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय अनदर एटम ऑफ अनदर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन इन द एरोमेटिक इथर. So you know that the anazole or aromatic which have the which group here? So the benzene, clear? So the benzene attached to which group? OR. This OR called as what? Alkoxy group, and this R means alko O called oxy group. These alkoxy group are act as plus I effect or plus R effect. Plus I effect is called as what here? Inductive effect. It means electron donating group. This plus I, it means this alko groups are indicate electron donating group. Electron देगा वो at which position? At ortho para position. And that's why these plus I effect due to the presence of OR means alkoxy group on the benzene will be activate the ring at ortho para position. यानी कहने का मतलब ये होगा बेटा कि जो अल्कोक्सी ग्रुप है वो क्या एक्ट करता है एज अ प्लस आई इफेक्ट. प्लस आई इफेक्ट को इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप और इलेक्ट्रॉन गिविंग ग्रुप. क्लियर? और इट आल्सो एक्ट एज प्लस आर इफेक्ट मीन्स रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट. आर कॉल्ड इज व्हाट? रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट हियर. तो दिस if any compound which have the plus I effect nature or plus R effect nature, this group are increase the electron density at ortho position and para position. The 1 2 called ortho position and 1 3 is called what here? The para position. So these atom, it means the alkoxy group are activate the ring at ortho para position. That's why these indicate that the incoming electrophile attached at highly toward the para position and then last toward the ortho position. यानी क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो अल्कोक्सी ग्रुप क्या करेगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो कैपेसिटी है, डेंसिटी है, कहाँ इंक्रीज करेगा? ऑर्थो पर और पैरा पे इंक्रीज करेगा. तो इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आने वाला है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट ग्रुप, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव पार्ट कहाँ पर अटैक करेगा? जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज़्यादा रहेगी. एज कम्पेयर पैरा, ऑर्थो इज लेस इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. ऑर्थो पोजिशन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कम होती है और पैरा पे ज़्यादा होती है. तो ज़्यादातर जो प्रोडक्ट मिलती है हमको एट अ पैरा पोजिशन एज कम्पेयर टू वाट हियर ऑर्थो पोजिशन. ठीक है बेटा? सो नाउ वी टेक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, हेलोजिनेशन इन द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन इन द एरोमेटिक इथर. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज हेलोजिनेशन? सो हेलोजिनेशन मीन्स एडिशन ऑफ हेलोजन ग्रुप मीन्स एक्स ग्रुप इन द एरोमेटिक इथर कॉल्ड एज द हेलोजिनेशन. व्हाट हियर? इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? द हेलोजिनेशन. क्लियर? सो दिस एक्स, it you know we take the F also, the atom of halogen, then F, then what here? Chlorine, then bromine and then iodine. All these atom are halogen atom or halide atom, and these atom are act as what here? The what? Attached to the any electrophile. It means halogen are added in the aromatic ether called as a halogenation of aromatic ether. So we take the example here. What here example? So aromatic ether. So we take the example what here? So when a halogen means we take the Br2, okay, twice Br2 attached to what here? Anazole. What is anazole here? So benzene attached to CH3 and OCH3. This benzene OCH is what called as anazole or aromatic ether. ठीक है? So when anazole is react with twice bromine and 2 molecule of what here? The anazole in presence of bromine, Br2 bromine in acetic acid means CH3COOH. It is act as catalyst. So when the anazole, 2 molecule anazole react with 2 molecule of bromine in presence of bromine in acetic acid, it forms the two product. One is called as ortho, second is called as para. It means first we take the first molecule. अब reaction पहले molecule पे करेंगे हम लोग. For first molecule react with first molecule of Br2. So first molecule at which the hydrogen are attached to which position? Carbon number 2. This carbon number 2 is called as what here? Ortho position, that which the Br is attached. One atom is attached. So what we get? We get OCH3 as it is. This ring also as it is. The incoming Br attached to ortho position and loss of what here? The loss of HBr. It is called as what here? Ortho bromo. What here? Ortho bromo anazole. Clear? Remaining further, this second molecule of a bromine, एक दो मॉलिक्यूल लिया बेटा, एक मॉलिक्यूल पे रिएक्शन किया पहले वाले पे और सेकंड पहले मॉलिक्यूल एनाजोल लिया, उस मॉलिक्यूल पे कहाँ पे रिएक्शन इसकी ऑर्थो पर. अब सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल, व्हेन अ सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल एनाजोल रिएक्ट विद सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ब्रोमीन, so what we get? This Br attached to second molecule of which position? At a para position. So what we get? We get what here? OCH3 attached to benzene as it is. The H replaced by carbon number 4. This carbon number what here? 4 by which group? Br. So it is called as what here? It is called as para bromo what here? Anazole. So in this way, what we get? We get two product. One is called ortho, second is called as para. At which is major product? So para is a major product. Why? Because at the position of carbon number 4 of anazole, which have the higher electron density and electrophile attached to those sites is fastly. So that's why this is a major product, where the ortho is what here? It is a minor product. It is a what here? Major product. So in this way, when the halogenation means addition of halogen with bromine add toward the anazole first molecule, we get a ortho bromo anazole, and second molecule of anazole, what we get? A second molecule of para bromo anazole. Okay, clear? It is called the halogenation of what here? The anazole or aromatic ether or electrophilic substitution reaction in the aromatic ether. Clear? Now we take the second reaction. Okay, so we take the second reaction is called what here? Friedel-Crafts reactions. What here? So we take the Friedel-Crafts reaction. You know, the Friedel-Crafts is the name of scientist. Okay, so he gave two reaction. It is called as the acylation and alkylation. What we take? The acylation and alkylation. So similarly, we take the what here? Alkylation. What here? Alkylation means addition of alkyl group at what? At anazole called as the alkylation. What here? Alkylation. Whereas the addition of what here? Acyl group at a aromatic ether called as the acylation. We take the alkylation here. So alkylation means addition of alkyl group. Okay. So we take the reaction when anazole OCH3 attached to what here? Benzene ring, means anazole aromatic ring is react with a alkyl group. This alkyl group are used as methyl chloride. This reaction always take place in presence of what here? In presence of anhydrous AlCl3 called as aluminum trichloride. Okay? So when anazole, it is called what here beta? Anazole is react with methyl chloride. This atom means the H means hydrogen atom is replaced by which group here? So this H atom is replaced by the another group depend upon the compound here. It also give the two product same here. So we take 2 molecule of anazole and 2 molecule of methyl chloride. First reaction take place at the first molecule of anazole of ortho position. So 1H replaced by this CH3. So what we get? We get OCH3 attached to what here beta? Benzene ring, and these have the CH3 and plus loss of HCl. First molecule. Now we take the second molecule here. What here? Similarly, what? the second molecule NaZole react with second molecule of methyl chloride. This CH3 attached to the carbon number 4 called as the para position of second molecule of NaZole. So we get OCH3, what here? OCH3 attached to benzene called as NaZole, and the H replaced by carbon number 4 called this position? Para position by CH3 plus loss of HCl. So in this way we get an ortho product, it is called as para product. Now it is called what here? Ortho, what here? Ortho methyl phenol, what here? Ortho methyl, or what you can say NaZole, it is called as para methyl, what here? NaZole. क्लियर? ओके। और इसका सेकंड नेम क्या सकता है बेटा? इसको कार्बन नंबर अगर फर्स्ट दिया, इसे सेकंड दिया, इसे फर्स्ट दिया, इसे सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, तो नाम क्या आएगा इसका? यस, सो इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर? व्हाट हियर? 2 NaZole toluene, और व्हाट है 2 मिथोऑक्सी, व्हाट हियर? 2 मिथोऑक्सी टोल्यून। इसका सेकंड नेम क्या आएगा बेटा? व्हाट हियर? ऑर्थो और 2, ऑर्थो मिथोऑक्सी टोल्यून। इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? प्यारा मिथोऑक्सी टोल्यून। ठीक है, इसका एबीसी नेम जो रहेगा। ठीक है, इट मीन्स व्हेन अ NaZole इज रिएक्ट विद अ मिथिल क्लोराइड मीन्स मिथाइलेशन with addition of CH3 group, it give us two product. One is called the orthomethyl NaZole or orthomethoxy, what here? Toluene, and second what we get? A para methoxy NaZole or para methoxy toluene. Para is a major product, whereas the ortho is a minor product. Similarly, when acylation take place, we take the B position here. Acylation means what here? Alkylation means addition of R group, and acylation means addition of acyl group. What here? Acyl group means what here? So we take the acyl group CH3 C double bond O, it is called as what here? Acyl group. So when reaction take place with NaZole, okay, so NaZole is react with the acyl group means addition of CH3CO group, it is called as the acylation of what here? NaZole or aromatic ether. So we take the aromatic ether called as NaZole, what here? CH3 attached to oxygen, and this compound are attached to benzene, and these react with the acetic anhydride CH3COO. Clear? Similarly, this CH3C double bond O attached to what here? Oxygen, it is called as acetic anhydride. So when the 2 molecule of acetic anhydride react with the 2 molecule of what here? 2 molecule of NaZole, what we get? This reaction also take place in presence of what here? Acetic anhydride means AlCl3. What here? In presence of AlCl3. Similarly, the one group attached to the ortho position and second group also attached to the para position. So first we take the one molecule at ortho, this H replaced by the which group here? This CH3O. The CH3CO group are attached to what here? Carbon number first molecule. Clear? Clear? So what we get here? So we get a O CH3 attached to what here? Benzene ring, and this group attached to C double bond O. Yes, this COO CH3. So what we take here? We take CH3CO. Clear beta? Okay. Similarly, these remaining group are lost as CH3COOH. So here we attach the or also write in the form of C double bond O CH3 and loss of acetic acid means minus CH3COH. Clear beta? It means first molecule NaZole is react with the first molecule of acetic anhydride. दो molecule लिया लेकिन reaction पहले वन पर करनी है ऑर्थो पर, तो यहाँ पे reaction किया बेटा, तो ये molecule को हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से इस molecule को हमने यहाँ पर ये ऐड किया, तो what we get benzene NaZole COCH3 plus loss of this H and this one atom CH3COH will go there CH3COH. Second molecule what here? Same second molecule of NaZole is react with the second molecule of acetic anhydride at which the CH3CO group, this group are attached to carbon number what here? Attached to carbon number 4th. So what we get? We get here the second product here plus what here? OCH3. What here? OCH3 attached to benzene, and this group COOCH3 and loss of CH3COH called as acidic acid. So in this way it is called as ortho product. It is called as what here? The para product. What indicates the name is called as here? So it is called as ortho methoxyacetophenone. It is called as the para methoxyacetophenone or acetophenone. ठीक है? Okay, in this way each and every reaction which give two product, one is called the ortho, second is called as para. Out of this ortho and para is a major product, whereas the ortho is a what here? The minor product. Clear बेटा? Okay, तो simple reaction हमने क्या देखा बेटा आज यहाँ पे? First, electrophilic substitution reaction in the aromatic ether. It means the aromatic ether which have the one electrophile is replaced by another electrophile of another group called as the what here? Electrophilic substitution reaction in the aromatic ether. In aromatic ether, one group is called alkoxy group. This alkoxy group are act as plus I effect or plus R effect. The plus I effect is called electron donating group. This donate the electron toward the ortho and para position, and these ring are activated toward the incoming electrophile. तो जो भी ऑर्थो और पैरा प्रोडक्ट जो मिलेगा बेटा उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या रहेंगे? ज़्यादा रहेगी यहाँ पर, यानी जो प्लस आई इफेक्ट और प्लस आर इफेक्ट जो कंपाउंड है वो कहाँ रिएक्ट करेंगे? ज़्यादा ऑर्थो और पैरा पोजीशन पर, और उसमें से ज़्यादा कौन सा रहेगा? पैरा देन ऑर्थो. ठीक है. फर्स्ट बिट इज हेलोजिनेशन ऑफ एरोमेटिक ईथर. सो वी एडेड हेलोजन मीन्स अ ब्रोमीन in the aromatic ether means anazole. So one molecule anazole react with one molecule of bromine, it form the orthobromazole. Similarly, second molecule anazole react with second molecule of bromine in presence of bromine in acetic acid. It's called acetic acid. It forms the para-bromoanazole. Out of these two products, one is called as major. Para is the major, whereas the ortho is minor. Clear? Second, we take the reaction what here? Friedel-Crafts reaction means alkylation and acylation. It are two reaction give the Friedel-Crafts scientist alkylation and acylation. First, alkylation means addition of alkyl group R or addition of CH3 goes methylation. So we take the anazole, say 2 molecules. Similarly, 2 molecule of methyl chloride in presence of another LCl3, it forms the orthomethyl anazole. It means the first atom of first molecule of methyl chloride attached to the first molecule anazole of first atom of hydrogen. So we get orthomethyl anazole, and second molecule of second anazole is react with the paramethyl anazole as a major product. Next reaction B, acylation. Similarly, one molecule anazole react with one molecule of what here? It is called acetic anhydride. It is called what here? Acetyl chloride. What here? Acetyl chloride. It is called what here? Acetic anhydride. Clear? It is called what here? Acetic anhydride. So, 2 molecule of anazole is react with 2 molecule of acetic anhydride in presence of AlCl3. First molecule at reaction take place ortho position to form the what here? Ortho methoxyacetophenone and para methoxyacetophenone. So in this way we get what the chemical reactions of the aromatic ether. क्लियर बेटा? सिंपल रिएक्शन है, आपको सिंपल तरीके से याद रखनी है. ठीक है. इसके बाद के नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक रिएक्शन बाकी है हमारा नाइट्रेशन और यूजेस ऑफ अल्कोहल फिनोल हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिनिश करेंगे. ठीक है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. क्लियर है? थैंक यू सो मच.